Which cordless vacuum is actually good for your hardwood floors? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Levoit Cordless Vacuum. The Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. What caught my eye is its tangle-resistant design and powerful suction. For a price that feels reasonable given its features, this vacuum is a solid option. If you want an effective solution for cleaning pet hair and dust from hardwood floors, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The tangle-resistant design means you can say goodbye to hair wrapping around the brush, which is a real hassle. It also has a runtime at up to 50 minutes, so you can clean your entire space without rushing. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making those quick cleaning sessions a breeze. The 0.75-liter dustbin is easy to empty, and washable filters mean you won't have to spend extra on replacements constantly. Now, some people complained about the suction power not being strong enough for deep cleaning carpets. Here's the thing though, if your primary concern is hardwood floors and regular dirt, this vacuum does a fantastic job without the need for heavy-duty suction. This is perfect for you if you have pets and need a lightweight vacuum that's easy to handle. Skip this one if you have a lot of carpets to clean, as it may not meet those needs. Overall, it offers great value for its price. Now, if the Levoit suction power concerns you, the next one on our list might actually be even better for versatile cleaning.
Product number 2, Bissell Featherweight Stick Vacuum. We have the Bissell 2033 Featherweight Stick Vacuum. Its compact design and lightweight nature really caught my attention, especially at this price point. If you want something that can easily switch between surfaces, this is worth a serious look. This vacuum's 3-in-1 design allows you to convert it from a stick vacuum to a handheld unit. That versatility means you can clean everything from hard floors to carpets with ease. Weighing less than 4 pounds, it's super easy to maneuver, making it ideal for tight spaces like dorm rooms or small apartments. The bagless feature with a 0.67-liter dirt cup is also a plus, as it allows for mess-free disposal of dirt without the need for bags. Now, some users have pointed out that the corded design can be a hassle for larger spaces. Here's the thing though, if you mainly need a vacuum for smaller areas or quick cleanups, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight vacuum that's easy to use in store. Skip this one if you have a large home that requires a cordless option for freedom of movement. It's a great value for the price, especially for those on a budget. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for tackling pet hair.
Product number 3, Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum. Let's talk about the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum. Its hyper-velocity suction and removable handheld feature caught my eye immediately. If you're looking for a vacuum that can handle pet hair and offers great flexibility, this one is definitely worth considering. The hyper-velocity suction provides incredible cleaning performance, especially in high-traffic areas. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, you can clean fairly large spaces without needing to recharge. The detachable handheld mode is perfect for above-floor cleaning, like couches and stairs, while the LED headlights help spot hidden debris. Plus, the XL dust cup makes disposal easy and hands-free. Now, some reviews mention that the vacuum can be a bit top-heavy when using the handheld mode. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using it as a stick vacuum, it balances out nicely. This is perfect for you if you have pets and need a vacuum that tackles hair on various surfaces. Skip this one if you prefer something lighter, as it can feel cumbersome in handheld mode. Overall, it's a solid investment for pet owners. Now, if you're looking for something with even more power, the next product might impress you.
Product number 4, Uwasogi Cordless Vacuum. The Uwasogi Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The innovative hurricane mode and impressive 70-minute runtime genuinely surprised me. If you want a vacuum that delivers powerful performance and long-lasting battery life, this is worth a serious look. The Uwasogi boasts a powerful 650-watt motor that provides up to 55 kPa of suction power. The unique hurricane mode can be activated with a pull ring for those tough cleaning jobs, making it perfect for deep-seated dirt and stubborn pet hair. With a large 1.8-liter dust cup, you can clean more without frequent emptying. The wall-mounted charging dock adds convenience, keeping everything organized. Now, some users have mentioned the vacuum can be a bit heavy for extended use. Here's the thing though, the suction power and features make it worthwhile, especially for larger spaces that require thorough cleaning. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful vacuum for a variety of surfaces, especially if you have pets. Skip this one if lightweight handling is your top priority, as it may feel heavier during long cleaning sessions.
It's a great value considering the features. Now, if you're after something a bit more budget-friendly, the last product might be just right for you.
Product number 5, IX Lion Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This one caught my attention due to its powerful suction and user-friendly features. If you're looking for a budget-friendly vacuum that doesn't skimp on performance, this is worth a serious look. With a powerful 550-watt motor, this vacuum provides up to 45,000 PA suction, making it effective on various surfaces like hardwood and carpets. It features an upgraded tangle-free turbo brush that prevents hair wrap, which is crucial for pet owners. The LED light helps you spot hidden dirt, and the one-touch hygienic emptying system ensures clean disposal. Now, some users noted that the battery life could be better for longer cleaning sessions. Here's the thing though, with up to 55 minutes of runtime on low power, it should be more than sufficient for regular daily cleaning. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight and effective vacuum for everyday use. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty cleaning power for large areas, as it might require more frequent charging. Overall, it's a fantastic value for what you get. To wrap things up, each of these vacuums has its strengths. The level weight is great for pet hair, Bissell is perfect for small spaces, Shark is versatile for all floors, Uesoki delivers powerful suction, and IX Lion is budget-friendly without losing performance.
So there you have it, 5 of the best cordless vacuums for hardwood floors, each with unique features to suit different needs. Whether you need something lightweight, powerful, or budget-friendly, there's definitely an option here for you. Happy cleaning!
Tired of pet hair taking over your home? Powerful suction tackles every corner. Stands on its own for grab and go. Clean your entire home on one charge. Your home deserves better.